making sure there are no boogers in my eyes, nothing stuck in my teeth. I just woke up and had my kada. Yes, exactly. You heard me. It's true. Yup, exactly. Right. Or nahi to kya? Woo! Now that I've had my kada, you know what I'm gonna do? Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. With this motivation, I'm gonna go and nap for another 5 minutes. That's right. And then continue with these daily-ish vlogs. Cue my intro. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog, welcome to day 20 of the Dailyish Vlogs. That's right. मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मैं बिग बॉस के घर में हूँ क्योंकि आज के दिन की शुरुआत हो रही है एक टास्क के साथ. जी हाँ, I am going to the bank. And honestly, I feel so weird about it because I do not understand finances or just money related things. तो मेरे को ऐसे बहुत ही एक अनडिस्कवर्ड टेरिटरी में जाना फील होता है. Anyway, let's go. Today is going to be hectic. जी. Alright, so I just quickly realized how it's going to be a hectic day क्योंकि my dad is a little unwell today. He has fever, so there's some bank work that needs to be done. तो मैं अभी फिलहाल बैंक जा रहा हूँ. I'll get that work done and then I'll head to the stationery shop because I have to get something and my mom has asked me to get something for her. तो वो सब सामान खरीद कर then I'll go back home. So I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog during this entire process, but I'm gonna try. Woo! Let's put on some music. दलजीत चलो चले मितवा. क्या है ये गाना? मेरे को तो ये लिरिक्स भी नहीं याद है. आज सारे दलजीत के गाने चल रहे हैं. और तू निकल जा पहला. You know, whenever I vlog in the car like this, I feel like you guys are sitting right next to me and like we are on this drive. I like that. I like how I can just like chill, drive, talk to my decoders. It's a vibe. क्या हो गया? निकल जा. ऐसे घूर घूर के लोग देखते हैं जैसे पता नहीं क्या ही क्राइम कर दिया मैंने. अरे कार चला रहा हूँ. अरे रोड तो सबकी है ना, तुम्हारी रोड है. I'm at the bank. Uncomfortable, unexplored territory. We're going to do it. We're going to figure it out. Okay. सही बात है. सही बात. अच्छा सर, thank you so much. All done. Not so bad actually. You know, can I be honest? Nothing makes me more sad than to see people begging like on the roads. You know, मन इतना दुखी होता है क्योंकि शायद किसी को खाने के लिए भी मांगना पड़ रहा है. And it's just so sad. You know, this is definitely one of those issues that I would like to work towards in my life, just to provide people who are less fortunate than me, financially at least. And उससे भी ज़्यादा दुख होता है when I see little children on the sidewalk, on the roadside. मतलब उनकी बेचारों की क्या गलती है? You know, this is one of those issues that I would like to work towards in my life, just to like help little children who are slightly less fortunate than the others. इस एग्जैक्ट गली के एंड में जाकर मेरा स्कूल आता है. यू नो, मैंने कितने साल एवरी मॉर्निंग आई यूज्ड टू गो थ्रू दिस रोड एंड नाउ दैट आई हैव मूव्ड टू मुंबई, आई मिस दिस सो मच. Why am I getting so emotional? So अभी मैं जिस मार्केट में हूँ उसको कहते हैं न्यू जवाहर नगर मार्केट जालंधर में. एंड आई रिमेंबर स्कूल टाइम में, इनफैक्ट इवन इन माई थिएटर डेज, आई रिमेंबर हैविंग द बेस्ट टाइम post our school and college. You know, me and my friends we used to come to this market. यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही अच्छे अंकल थे जो छोले कुलचे बेचते थे एंड हम हमेशा स्कूल या कॉलेज के बाद आकर यहाँ पर वो खाया करते थे. The nostalgia has hit me. I remember having such wonderful, happy times in this market right here. Why do we grow up? स्कूल टाइम में, इनफैक्ट कॉलेज टाइम में भी हम यही सोचते हैं कि हम जल्दी से बड़े हो जाएं, स्कूल और कॉलेज से पीछा छूटे, लेट्स गेट इनटू द रियल वर्ल्ड, अर्न मनी एंड डू आवर जॉब. बट देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन ऑफ स्कूल एंड कॉलेज लाइफ. आई थिंक it's just the best time of your life. There's no pressure. You just have to pass this class and go to the next class, or pass this year and go to the next year. Once you're out of school and college, it's actually the real world, and it's pretty tough sometimes. And now when I'm here and look back, we used to stand at that spot, and वो हमारा एक corner होता था जहाँ पे हम खड़े होकर कितनी देर बातें करते रहते थे. And पढ़ाई के अलावा या छोटी मोटी relationship problems के अलावा और कोई problem ही नहीं होती थी. अब in the real world there are so many more bigger problems that you have to deal with every day. So yeah, stay in school, kids. Also, Divya is calling. Hello. I saw this wall of all plants. I'm going to take an Instagram picture. I'm literally standing on the side of the road clicking Instagram pictures, and people walking by are like, "Kya kar raha hai ye ladka?" And my response is, Instagram life, bro. I've reached back. So yesterday, for you guys yesterday, for me today, I posted the vlog in 2 parts. The first part I've posted today in the morning, and the other part I'm gonna post now at 8 o'clock. I'll tell you why, but before that, I need myself some coffee. So good. मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं अपनी कॉफ़ी के लिए एक नया मग खरीदूँ, एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू बी ट्रांसपेरेंट. आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी लाइक अ सेरेमिक मग जिसमें कुछ दिख भी ना सके. सो ऐसे में आपको दिख जाता है कि इफ आई एम मेकिंग माई कॉफ़ी, इट लुक्स एस्थेटिक. सो एज आई वाज सेइंग, द रीजन व्हाई आई हैव अपलोडेड yesterday's for me, which is today's vlog, in 2 parts, was because when I was editing last night, obviously there was a lot of footage, and I was like, if I compile this vlog, this is easily going to be a 20-minute vlog. And I really don't like cutting a lot of things from my vlog, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अब मैंने ये डेली व्लॉग स्टार्ट किए हैं. I really want कि आप लोगों को ऐसा लगे कि you are a part of my day, you are a part of my routine. तो अगर बहुत चीज़ें ऐसे एडिट कर दो ना, even for me to look back, I don't want to be like, उस दिन क्या कुछ हुआ था मुझे याद नहीं, बस ये थोड़ा सा 10 मिनट का मुझे याद है. So I want to also look back to these vlogs and see what happened that day. I don't want to edit out a lot of the details and a lot of the fun that we have. So one reason was because it was getting very lengthy, तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, लेकिन एक ही दिन अपलोड करते हैं. And the second and rather more important reason why I split the vlog into 2 parts was because the mood of the first vlog was very chill and calm. Like we were sitting outside, enjoying the rain, enjoying our coffee, and talking about good deep things. And the latter part of the vlog was a lot more fun, cooking, making pasta, doing grocery shopping, doing car concerts. In दोनों vlogs का जो mood था और जो treatment थी वो बिल्कुल different थी. And I always try to change the mood of the vlogs every now and then, because मुझे लगता है with especially daily vlogging, it can get a little repetitive, and some people also like it. Some people like, you do the same thing every day, and we just want to see you do the same things every day, and that's fine. But for me as a vlogger, somebody who edits the vlogs every day, editing and shooting the same coffee montages can just get a little monotonous after a while. So I like to change things around. So इसी वजह से I was like, the first part of the vlog has a different mood. It has a different feel to it. It's very calming. It's very like zen-like. And the other part of the vlog is more fun-like, where we are doing car concert, we are ranting in the car, we're doing road rants, we are doing grocery shopping or making pasta or cooking. So I was like, it'll be a fun thing to just split the vlog but post it on the same day, but with a little bit of a time in between. I am gonna edit the vlog right now. I have edited it partially, but thoda finishing touches deke I'll post the vlog and I'll keep you guys updated. Cheers. Also, very importantly, let's just make iced coffee and dalia a thing. I mean, just try these 2 things together. It's almost like having dessert. My mom made this dalia and it's pretty chilled now because I kept it in the fridge for some time. And this coffee, I mean, this match, nobody knew about this match, but I just found out, yum. Match made in heaven. I'm editing today's vlog. I mean the vlog, the second part of the vlog. Here it is. And this cutie has brought me coffee because she knows I'm editing. With the coconut cookies. Best sibling award goes to her. It's like room service. Thank you so much. Already there's another cup there. I mean, if this is not the yummiest looking paneer ki sabzi, then I really don't know. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So the part 2 of vlog number 19 is exporting right now. It just got a little late and I informed you guys on Instagram. थोड़े से finishing touches थे. I just made this cooking montage and I realized that I could post it just like that, but if I add like a couple of texts here and there, ingredients and some I don't know, some just sprinkle of magic, I think it will just make that little difference. It will add that little to the video. So that is what is happening. It is 34% and it says 10 minutes to go, and I'm gonna see you guys just in a couple of minutes. I mean, of course, you guys have already seen the video, but मेरे लिए तो तुम अभी देखोगे ना. Okay. Also, just posted a new Instagram picture. So if you are not following me on Instagram, then I think you should, because why not? I mean, it's free. So I just posted part 2 of today's for you yesterday's vlog. It got a little late, I'm really sorry, but thoda sa dophar ko bhi kaam tha, then I came back. It was just mismanagement of time. Now I'm gonna make myself and my parents and Riya some hot chocolate, क्योंकि अब ये हमारे घर में बहुत एक hit beverage है रात को. So let's do that. सत श्री अकाल, ਆਪਾਂ ਤੇ ਭੁੱਲ ਹੀ ਗਏ ਜੀ vlog ਦੀ outro shoot ਕਰਨਾ. Sorry if you don't understand Punjabi, but I forgot to shoot the outro for this vlog. I was like, share, comment, subscribe करने के लिए तो बताना भूल ही गए. But if you enjoyed today's vlog तो एक thumbs up दे देना. Comment करके बताना कि अगर आप भी ऐसे बैंक में जाके ऐसे confused रहते हो and it seems like the task of Big Boss House. Also don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon क्योंकि we are doing daily vlogs here. Do you understand? And even if you forget doing all of this, like, comment, subscribe, share, कौन करता है? किसके पास इतना वक्त रहता है? लॉकडाउन में करना क्या होता है? इतना तो काम होता है, हाँ? Don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, daily vlogs, yo. Common sense. See you guys. Bye.